It's now time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week, and I'm going to talk about one of the most asked questions on Google actually, is henna really better than hair dye? And I'm going to give you that answer, but before I do that, do subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon so you can get regular notifications. My answer is yes, because I prefer natural coloring, and when it comes to henna, it is a plant-based henna, while the other colors have a lot of chemicals in it to change your hair color, and it also penetrates your hair follicle, thereby breaking it and causing it split ends. And so what henna does is once it's dried and sifted, it actually coats your entire hair strand, thereby making it stronger and thicker while depositing the much needed moisture and color into it. So it actually makes your hair more voluminous. So as you can see, henna is just fundamentally different in terms of composition and effects on the hair. And the following are the differences between henna and hair dye. The composition. So henna is made from a plant, like I told you before, which is dried and sifted and crushed and then mixed with water to create a paste. And hair dye, on the other hand, is usually made of substances that are chemicals and that include ammonia, peroxide, and other ingredients. And especially since COVID, a lot of us have become very careful about what we put on our hair and skin, as we should be careful because it is going into our bloodstream and affecting our overall health. So henna is considered much safer than hair dye as it is a natural product and doesn't contain harsh chemicals which can damage the hair and scalp and your overall health. And also henna is much less likely to cause an allergic reaction compared to hair dye. And henna, on the other hand, actually strengthens your hair. It can also promote hair growth and actually reduce dandruff. On the other hand, hair dye can cause damage to your hair, making it brittle and dry. Reshma Beauty has 9 stunning shades of henna, and of course with other colors like normal hair dye, you can lighten your hair, which you cannot do with henna. And the downside of henna may be the smell of henna, or it's a little messy, but for me, I don't know, it's worth it for my overall health of my hair, and as henna leaves my hair soft, shiny, silky, and even more voluminous. So my answer is obviously that I prefer henna hair dye over hair color because I want a natural plant-based product that can help improve the health of my hair while adding color. So I hope you liked the video. I'd love to hear your comments, so please let us know what you think right down here, and do subscribe to our channel for regular notifications. Until next time, bye.